Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to use Optiglaze color on your print materials in order to do a quick and easy tissue colorization and come as close as possible, in a lot of cases dead on match, to some of our popular super high impact nature acrylic shades. We're going to do shade 35 here. We're simply going to use pink and red. You do need to shake these well, and it's important to dose them out by drops. This particular ratio is going to be 2 drops of pink to 1 drop of the red. Squeeze these slowly. You'll get consistent drops, which will result in consistent results of color reproduction. Give that a good stir. This material doesn't just come together just because it's dropped in the same well. So this has been sandblasted. It's what GC recommends for best adhesion and bond to print materials and MMA materials would be to microblast with aluminum oxide. What brush you use is up to you. I'm going to do a broad open area here to help you see this and get this done faster. I typically use a brush this size to do these large open areas. Now, as you can see, you're not always going to get the intensity that you want on your first coat. And you can't just continue to put material on there because it can't stick to itself at this point. So right now, you see where we're at. For a lot of people, and depending on the shade of your print material or mill material, this might actually do it. But if you want more intensity, I'll hit it with a Labolite Duo for about 5 or 6 seconds. And what that does is allows me to pick up more color saturation, because now this layer is sticky. You see how that's sticking to it. And if you think you've put too much on there, just keep brushing it. You can spread that out, as you can see as I'm doing here. Around the neck of the teeth, I will typically not do a second coat. That allows me to get a little bit of lighter shade gradient. The other thing I can do is I can come in here and kind of punch and twist my brush. It creates a little bit of irregularity that from a distance almost looks like fibers in the material. It's just creating little concentrated areas. Now at this point you can see we're pretty well there, okay? So I would tack cure this again, then I will put my appropriate clear on that I like to use, which is just the regular clear because it's thin. And then I would cure that in the Labolite Duo for 90 seconds. If I wanted to create one of our popular Mahari shades, the Color shades, okay, all I'm going to do there is use 1 drop of brown, 1 drop of red, and 3 drops of the blue. Give that a good stir. If I wanted to do our shade 36, original shade of acrylic, I would do 1 drop of red, 1 drop of pink, 1 drop of pink orange, stirred together, and do the same thing that I did here to get the level of intensity that you need. So that's a quick and easy way to colorize the pink tissue areas for your print materials or mill PMMA. If you have any other questions, give your local GC rep a call.